Masonvale used to drive buses for the county. Then came the drinking, and too many of those buses left the road with him behind the wheel. The name Tumblebus followed him after the county stopped calling. He bought the wrecks for scrap and rebuilt them as children's gyms. Padded walls, climbing holds, birthday bookings. Sharon thought the business might keep him sober. Gideon saw somewhere to hide a shipment. On the night of their first real booking, Mason pulled onto the freeway with children strapped inside, 2 cars behind him, and one more chance not to roll a bus.